Hi everyone, wishing you all a very happy new year. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys this look, and I have achieved this look using my favorite makeup products that I have been using throughout 2021. So to begin with, I'm going to prep my skin using the Swiss Beauty Illuminating Moisturizer or Primer, and this is the best illuminating primer I have ever used. I mean, the glow that it gives is insane. It also has moisturizing properties to it, so it keeps my skin looking very healthy and nourished. It is not too shimmery or glittery. It just gives your skin the right amount of healthy, youthful glow. And then for my foundation, I went back to the oldie but the goodie Maybelline Superstay Matte Foundation. The finish of this foundation is so beautiful. It will suit even dry skin types. Like, it says it is matte finish, but it has that healthy matte finish to it, so your skin wouldn't look overly dehydrated or parched. Then for my concealer, I again have an old choice, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I realized that it would be expiring very soon, so I was determined to finish it, and that is why I have been using constantly throughout this year. And I realized what an amazing concealer it was, and I wondered why I ever stopped using it. The finish of the concealer is really nice, and it sits beautifully under the eyes. It does not dry it down, and the coverage is also very amazing. Then to set everything in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Again, this powder is very softly milled. It does not dry out your face or make it look too dehydrated. It is just the right amount of matte. It is very finely milled and perfect to make your makeup last longer and avoid creasing. Then for my bronzer and my blush, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush palette, and this palette is so beautiful. Like, look at the colors, they're amazing. I'm just using the blush and the bronzer today, but the highlighter in this one is also beautiful. They are very pigmented and blends beautifully into the skin. Does not look too powdery or dry. Also, they are very affordable. For you get 8 shades in there for just ₹450, which is like of very great quality, and you can use them in a multiple ways. You can use them as your face palette as well as an eyeshadow palette. Then for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Sugar Mini highlighter, and again, they are very beautiful. They are finely milled. They are not too chunky or glittery, and they sit beautifully on the skin. Does not exaggerate your pores, fine lines, acne. Now moving towards our eyes, I'm first going to do my eyebrows using the Sugar's Arc Arrival Eyebrow Pencil. Again, the consistency of this eyebrow pencil is really nice. It is not too creamy to give you those block eyebrows. It is a little on the waxier side, so it is very light on the eyebrows and is perfect to give you those feathery brows. Also, it comes with a spoolie, which is great to brush through your eyebrows. And for my eyes, I'm going to use this Nika K 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and I'm trying this viral eyeshadow hack today. So in this hack, you just basically have to take a spoon and you have to outline your crease using that spoon. You just have to put it on top of your lids and then, you know, just mimic and crease that you want. And similarly, you just have to also create a wing out of it. So basically for that, I first used a darker maroon shade to just outline, and then I used a lighter red shade to blend it all out. But anyway, coming back to the eyeshadow palette, it is very pigmented and blends very easily. The shimmers in this one is amazing. I have not used shimmers in this video. But yeah, for my crease color, I am going to use the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is beautiful. I love it. I have been raving about it since forever. This one has to be my favorite one and done eyeshadows because it is very glittery and transform any of your look, and it is also super affordable. Then I'm using this Volume Million mascara by L'Oreal, and oh my god guys, this is bomb. It just separates each and every hair of your eyelashes and makes it look so voluminous and lengthens them. It is beautiful. Do check out this mascara. It is not waterproof, but I'm sure you will like it. Then I have used the Swiss Beauty gel pencils, and they are again budge proof, smudge proof, and very long lasting. Then I'm using the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. It is very affordable, makes your makeup last longer, and ensures that your base is married into each other. For my lips, I use the Sugar lip crayon, and again, as you guys already know, because it is much raved product, that it has a beautiful formula. It is matte, it is comfortable, it is long lasting, it is also transfer proof. But just make sure that your lips are well exfoliated before you apply these lip crayons. You can find all of these products at some amazing discounts since Amazon end of season sale is on. So I will leave the purchase link of all of these products in my description description box below, so make sure you check out. Then I also wanted to try this look with a dark lip, so I used the Swiss Beauty non-transferable lipsticks, and again the formula is beautiful. They are buttery, they are soft, non-transfer proof, it won't budge or go anywhere. I hope you found this video helpful to build yourself a beginner's makeup kit, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.